Now, based on our sketch, let's use guides to mark where our columns lie, using white space weighting for our page margins and column gutters. The Guides tool, which exists in most drawing and design applications, enables us to create page margins and column gutters, and allows us to align our content the way we want to. Many applications also have a snap to grid or snap to guide feature, which will help you in dragging your text elements to exactly where you want them to appear. Starting with the poster title, ensure that your title is large enough and evenly spaced for maximum visual appeal and legibility. If you have a subtitle, align this with the main title. Aligning the text makes the page more attractive and easier to read. Next, let's add our headings. These should be left aligned within our columns. To help the introduction text stand out from a distance, we have increased the leading. This text is now easier to read. Let's begin to populate the poster with the 50 to 75 word sections of running text. This will give us an idea of the space left to fill with graphical information. As we want to draw our reader's attention to this introduction section of your poster, we can box out the background of this section, which makes it more striking on the eye and in turn more attractive to the viewer. We look at adding placeholders for our graphical content. Here we can flow our remaining text content around these graphical elements, and for consistency and clarity, we leave an evenly spaced gutter between the text and the images. As with the introduction text, by increasing the leading to the conclusion text and boxing out the background, notice how we add interest to the page by contrasting the background to the text, making it easier to read. Also, by adding this feature, we add balance and consistency to the poster, as the viewer can see a relationship between the beginning and the end of the poster, sections that most viewers may read before deciding whether or not they want to keep reading. Lastly, similar to many newspaper articles and magazine columns, we lay our content in a way that lends itself well to the gravity of the viewer's familiar reading pattern, top to bottom in each of the 3 columns. Okay, that's our text section complete. To continue, select the next tab above.